Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorial how to delete origin indicator. So we have this example part and I will go to drawing. You can click file, new and then drawing. I will use this A4 paper size. Click OK. We can insert by using this base tool and I will set for scale into 5:1. Click OK. Now, if you use the ordinate dimension, it will be show for the origin indicator. Here I will click and you can see we have the origin indicator in this dimension. Okay. If you want to delete this origin indicator, you only have option to hide the indicator. You can select the dimension, right click and then choose hide origin indicator. So it will be automatically hide in your drawing. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorial how to delete origin indicator. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.